Super excited today because I'm going to unbox an accessory for the Royal Enfield Continental GT that I have been planning on getting from a very long time. And this goes back to the day I bought the Royal Enfield Continental GT because I was contemplating between two colors, the Dr. Mayhem and Mr. Clean. It was very difficult to decide. I went with Dr. Mayhem back then. I absolutely love the color. I have lived with it for about 5 years now and now decided to change the tank to the Mr. Clean one. So I got the tank shipped from India to UAE. It took roughly about 8 days to reach me. Can't wait to change the tank and see how it looks on the GT. I have been preparing the bike a lot for that because I want to make it look like new. It's difficult with all the rust and all the gunk of the oil and everything, but still I'm trying my best to clean it thoroughly before installing the tank. But right now, let me quickly unbox and show you the tank that I bought. Yeah. So that is Royal Enfield genuine part. I bought this from a company called Throttle and Thump. They were super responsive. I found them on Instagram. In fact, through a friend who shared their profile with me. So I reached them on Instagram. They were super quick and fast in responding. And they, in fact, opened up the box. They assured that this is a genuine part. They showed me the photos and videos, gave me all the assurances that I was looking for. And only after I was completely satisfied, they shipped it. And the shipment also was very quick. The happiness of unboxing something related to a motorcycle. Can't explain. While I do this, let me know in the comment section how many of you have struggled, literally struggled, to decide between the colors of your bike. I'm planning to do this all by myself. I'm not going to take it to the showroom or any service center. I like to do it myself, DIY. And I think it's pretty straightforward and simple, so let's give it a try. I'll also have to go to RTA here to change the color on the registration. They're going to charge me, I think, around 200 dirhams. But yeah, I'll have to do it. In fact, that's a very big box. And I was first thinking of asking one of my friends who was traveling from India to UAE, ask him to get it for me. But then I thought this is an unusually bigger box. They would have an issue in the airport if they were not allowed to check this in the regular baggage. So I decided to go directly with the seller, and they were very professional and managed the shipping very well. Okay, that reveals the tank inside. Let me pull it out. That's not very heavy. Yeah, let me inspect the tank by removing all the protection and see if it is not damaged, because I see that one side of the box was actually slightly broken. Some of my fellow riders and friends have the Mr. Clean version, and whenever I look at the bike, I'm like, I should have gone with this one. But no hate for Dr. Mayhem or the black one, because not many people know the colored name. I still remember it so well. It was called Dr. Mayhem back then. Not sure why, but yeah, the black with the yellow line across, that still is a beautiful color. No hate. But this hits differently. That's really clean. So this is the BS6 version with the golden etching of Royal Enfield, or the golden stickers. my god, I can't wait to have this on the bike. Looks beautiful. It's like mirror finish, right? So I can see myself so clean. Absolutely love it. But thankfully, there has not been any damage to the tank because the box was very big. It was just moving inside the box. I wish there was better packaging inside, more bubble wrap or more cushioning to the tank. Yeah, I don't see any damage except for some white patches here at the top on the black side. So I'll probably capture that on my phone. So I'm not sure if you can see, but yeah, this white patch here. I've seen this on my tank, but that happens if something gets rubbed against the tank. I'm assuming that it happened while it was in the box. It was moving around quite a bit with the bubble wrap. So that has caused this slight abrasion, but I think it will go away with a little bit of polishing. But otherwise, there's absolutely no damage, especially on the chrome side. There you go. I'm done with the unboxing. And now we'll start installing it on the bike. See you there.